Alright, so for all you dental hygiene students out there, we have our dental hygiene clinic. And I'm going to give you a tour of that. This is the waiting area, but then you get to go inside to the actual clinic itself. And then we go through this hallway right here. We will enter the sim lab. This is where students start to practice on virtual dummies. Everything is run on a compressor system. Otherwise, I would show y'all how it works. We have a dummy head in here. We also teach our students how to do x-rays. So as we're walking out of the sim lab, you notice all of the lights across from me. This is where our IT department is located. To get in here, you do have to ring the doorbell for assistance, but they usually answer quickly. And smile because you're on camera and they can see whoever is in front of their door. We come down this way. We have restrooms on the first floor, right next to the elevator. In this foyer area, we have our dental hygiene office. If you have any questions about dental hygiene, you will come to office 119 or A19. We have a bulletin board here, and people like to be funny, so if you want a free bacon strip, you can just take one. We continue to walk down the hallway. We have some of our health profession specific program classrooms and offices in this hallway. Right here is the nursing skills lab. Just to give you a quick idea of some of the things that our students are doing and working on. This is the second floor of the Horace Garrett building. Horace Garrett Center, the HGC, as it says on your schedules. On the second floor, we have different classrooms with ITV settings where they broadcast to students at other schools. But we also have our Blackboard e-learning support. It's going to be in room 203. And they really like to push our online tutoring with Upswing and Blackboard and anything that you might need. You can come grab a Get Connected brochure, which is your guide to My HC Blackboard and your student email. Right next door to our Blackboard support is our social media, website, podcast, and news marketing. So if you need anything related back to that, this is the place to go. We are now making our way back to the north side of the building. Back this way, we have the Student Union building and the women's dorms. And as we pan over the parking lot, you can see a football stadium over there, and that's for the big spring high school, Big Spring Steers. That's their memorial stadium. So they play football there every year. And that's pretty much it for the Horace Garrett Center. Next, we walk into the wood shop. We are currently in the McKinney Center. This is where we conduct all of our CTE classes, so Career Technical Education. Our construction trade CTE program in Big Spring recently got a CNC router machine. It looks like this is going to be a stool or a table of some sort. Here's another project that our construction trades worked on. Each student built cornhole boards, and then they got to paint them whatever colors they chose. These are just some of the ones that are still here, but there were all sorts of different designs. I mean, there were even Detroit Lion designs. As we walk through the wood shop, we will come over this way, and you see a platform. Well, our construction trades program was going to build a portable building. But hopefully, whenever we return, we can get back to building this cool little building and helping benefit the program. We'll come over here, and here's the roof that they started on. As we walk out of the wood shop, we go back into the hallway that we started in. Next up in the McKinney Center is the Criminal Justice Lab. As you can see, they have different crime scene scenarios set up. Here's another crime scene. This is our blood splatter room. Up next, we have, with our construction trades program, the area where the students learn how to do basic plumbing. The students were working on setting up a bathroom. And they were also learning how to set up a kitchen and a water heater as well. So that's pretty neat. As we get down to almost the end of the McKinney Center, we see the CPR classroom. This is where students learn CPR first aid. Welcome to the Cosmetology salon. Here our students learn how to do, as you can see, hair. Here's our drying stations. Over here, students learn how to do manicures. Here are the hair washing stations. If you come in here, this is where they keep all of their color and product. Over here we have more manicure stations as well as pedicure stations. This is where the receptionist sits. And we do offer services to students. As we walk out of the cosmetology salon, we come over here into the facial room. This is where our students learn how to give facials. Welcome to our student union building. Usually we have ping pong tables set up right here, but today we do not. We've been cleaning the floors, so they're right there. But we do have pool tables set up for our students. This is our common area where we encourage the students to hang out and get a bite to eat, have some fun. So we'll come over here. This is our student life office. So any student activities that are happening, you're going to find the person you need to talk to in here. Coming over this way, we have our mail room. The students come in here and we have job postings up on a bulletin board. They can get their deliveries for packages right here. And then right here, they each have their own mailbox that they're assigned to. So if they have any packages or any small pieces of mail that come in, it goes right here. If we turn around in our mail room, you're gonna see our hawk pantry. As we walk in here, this is the fireplace room. This is where you can come and hang out. You can come study in here. We have brand new furniture in this room. You can come just hang out if you need a place that's quiet and very chill. And the fireplace room does have two entrances. One on the east side of the building, over towards the pool tables and ping pong tables. And then we have the entrance on the west side of the building, which we just came through. And we are going to go back out this way into the tumbleweed room. So we walk in the tumbleweed room. This is by far one of my favorite rooms on campus. This is a collection of animals, taxidermied animals that were donated to Howard College. Coming back out of the tumbleweed room, we go into our cafeteria. We serve a normal meal We have a pizza oven. We have a salad bar. This is the cactus room. This is where we have community events, different meetings. You might be called into a banquet of sorts in here during your time at Howard. You never know. Walking out of the doors of the cactus room, right next door is our student services office. So if you need anything here, if you are having any issues, if you need to get your student ID, if you need someone to talk to, please come here. She's located in the cafeteria, and our current Dean of Student Services is Christy McKeska. So please go give her a call if you need anything. Now we walk into the GC Broughton Ag Pavilion, GC Broughton Ag Complex. When I was a student at Howard College, this was my building because I was on the livestock judging team. In this building, we also house our local 4-H and Texas A&M AgriLife office. We come back this way and we walk into the classroom. So this is primarily where all of the agriculture lecture type learning will happen, is in this room right here. So after you're done with your lecture, you might have to come to livestock judging practice, and you might be doing reasons out here. This is where we hold our local county show. This is also where our ag department hosts their lamb and goat camps each year. We will walk out onto the show range. We come over to the wash racks. Very, very nice set of wash racks in here. So we're going to go back on the back side of the wash racks here to the west side of the complex. Now, as we are finished, we will walk back through the doors, and we are done with the ag building.